Hi guys, it's Charlotte Hammond. Welcome to the Glamour channel. So I am going to be doing an unbagging and unboxing of some BooHoo clothes that I've bought. So it's Friday night, I've got my wine ready, got the important things ready. So first of all, another pretty bag. I love this bag. So good choice BooHoo on the design. And actually it came next day delivery, really good. And I bought it late last night, so when they said next day delivery, I kind of assumed they meant Saturday. It's now Friday, and I bought it late Thursday, so that was cool. So we go, getting a few bits up. So I've kind of gone for a theme with the colours because I have a hen do coming up and we're going away somewhere hot. So we are going to be doing like various things. So I've kind of gone for some colours to go with what we're going to be doing. But also, I've also just bought something that I thought was pretty as well. And I will do another video of me wearing each outfit so that you can also get an idea of the kind of fit the BooHoo have, like how they come up, whether they're true to their size, true to their colour, etc. So this is the first dress. So this is okay, it's really simple, which is what I wanted. A really nice, simple little dress, backless, really nice colour. This is the size 10. Looks like it's going to be a size 10 as well, so that's good news. Love that colour. Love the kind of nude, peachy colour. Love that. So, next one. I bought two long dresses, two short dresses, both in red and blue. So I'll be really interested to see how these fit. So again, really simple, really cute. I loved this because it has a little sort of cooched up hem in the middle there, like that. But also the thing about this is you can wear a bra with it, yay! Because I'm so done with dresses. I realised I bought this, you can't wear a bra with it. I'm so done with dresses where you can't wear a bra. I am too old for that. I want to wear a bra, I want to be comfortable. Okay, so again, this is size 10, I can wear a bra with it. Actually a really nice cherry red, which I don't think is showing up in this colour, but it's a really nice rich cherry red, so that is brilliant. Okay, this is the blue version of that same dress, so I'll just open it up so you can see. It's basically the same dress but in the blue because I have blue eyes and I like to wear dresses and tops and stuff that will show my eye colour. Oh, it's bigger. No, it's a 10, so must just be the colour difference. So again, it's got the little cooched up hem, which I really liked. A little bit of detail. Doesn't look like it's going to be see-through, which is always a bonus, but we shall see. But yeah, I really like that. And I think just a little V-neck, just to go with the hem. I think that's going to look really pretty on, so that's exciting. Okay, now, I should say, I am 5'10.5". I'm not being pedantic about the half. I'm not 5'11", basically. I've had it checked at the doctor's. Because, yeah, doctors measure you occasionally. And I am 5'10.5". So I went for BooHoo's tall range, which is 5'7" and over. So I am going to be really interested to see how these jersey dresses fit. Tall kizzle, crossback, strappy maxi dress. I will also link below all the items that I have got here, so that if you like them, you can go and get them yourself. So, oh, it's a long one. Oh, it is long, actually. This might potentially, oh, it keeps going, might potentially be long enough. Does it have a split? No split. It's just a really nice, simple maxi dress. And I should be able to wear either a cross-strap bra or a strapless bra. I don't know about you, but I'm so into these non-wired bras at the moment. And luckily, they seem to be everywhere. So a non-wired strapless bra it is. But anyway, again, really nice cherry red. Love that colour. Really pleased with that. And now the blue version of the same dress. Just check they've got the right size. Yep. Same thing, but blue. So as I say, I'll do a separate video, which I will at some point link this into this video so that like now it will come up here somewhere on the screen and you can click through and you can see how these dresses look, whether they're the right length, whether they're the right fit, how the colour looks. And then you can kind of, I just find it really much easier to compare myself to like a real girl when I see someone else wearing clothes and like the model on the screen who's like this big, and I don't know how tall she is, I don't know what size she's wearing, they look good, but is it going to fit me? So that's kind of why I wanted to do these buy and try videos for you guys so that you can see how they're going to look. I bought some stuff from Pretty Little Thing, which basically, I mean, nice clothes, the majority of it was really nice clothes, but on me, for my height, they don't have a tall section that I could see. So everything was a little bit short and a little bit too inappropriate. So those videos are up, so you can see. Again, bear in mind, I'm 5'10", I think I'm a 34D cup, size 10. So, you know, then you can gauge how they look on me to how they're going to look on you, whether you need to go up a size, down a size, you know, for a cup or hips or whatever. But yeah. So I hope this video has been of interest, and yeah, click through now and you can see how all these clothes look on. Take care, guys.